Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the eyeshadow in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want to enhance your eyes with your eyeshadow? FaceApp lets you test different styles quickly, and here's exactly how to do it. Before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the FaceApp application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna look and type in FaceApp Perfect Face Editor developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Once you find the specific application, you're gonna make sure to click on the install button, and once the installation is complete, you're gonna launch the app and make sure to grant it access to your camera and gallery, and then you're gonna make the choice whether you want to upload your picture or you want to take a new one. So you're gonna choose that, then you're gonna upload the photo and go to the makeup section, and to do that you're gonna drop this bar right here, this toolbar in the bottom, and you're gonna go all the way down until you find the makeup section. Once you find it, you're gonna click on it, and from here you're gonna select the eyeshadow style. Now the eyeshadow is like the winged eyeliner here. As you can see, this applies an eyeshadow. So you're gonna apply your preferred look and adjust the intensity, then you're gonna save it. You can try soft shades first and match colors with your outfit, and avoid also over editing. Now the eyeshadow adds depth and style to your look, so experiment easily with FaceApp. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.